So we made it to the guy's house. We got the truck. Let's call him real quick.
Nice.
Oh, that's the smell.
It smells good in there.
That's happening.
So this, let's go in there. Yeah, I got $10.
Never stop, never changed. All the squad here to play, and the best we gonna say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, again. I got tired eyes, need a couple blends. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, move fast and climb. A new crash divine, yeah, true passion shines. And a rule passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time.
All right, give me 1 second.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Don't tune on until at least 8 hours for tomorrow. 8 hours? Yeah, at least 6-7 hours. Because the gas is set in there, it's gonna be whatever. You know, plug it right away. We're good. Push it away.
8 hours.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, baby. Okay, guys. Now, next stop, Southside. And I'm gonna keep an eye to make sure that tailgate doesn't fall, because as you guys saw, hopefully she recorded it, that tailgate doesn't want to shut. All right, Southside. It was a smooth pickup, but I'm gonna take the back roads all the way back to the south side. She's gonna get on the highway. There's a lot of traffic, and I like to just keep moving. I don't want to sit still. So honestly, we should get there about the same time. We should. So keep y'all updated on the trip. Just want to show you guys something real quick. I always think this neighborhood is really beautiful. It has the train going through it. You're right by Lakeshore Drive. The traffic is bad, but I always thought this neighborhood was beautiful. All right, y'all, this is always the challenge. Getting this back here. God, it's muddy. Oh man, it's muddy. Oh, snaps. God. All right, also I'm gonna need this space right here. Hopefully we get this on the first shot, guys. I don't want to be reversing and okay, so I'm gonna need to move this trash can over a little bit more so I can get it first go. that was close. Let's go check. Alright, so once you get it off, I can straighten it up a little bit. Once you get it off, it's just gonna hit the puddle, that's it. Next, the mission consists of airing up this dolly, and then I'm gonna bring y'all back.
Let's take this up there. Gather your tools, kids. It's about to get rocky.
All right.
¿Quieres ponerla, pararla? ¿Lo que quieres pararla?
Great.
Digo el fuego, ¿no? ¡Pero yo puto! Ahora.
All right.
I think she's the perfect height for my cabinet. I think that's all I can say.
Yo. Ella es grande.
This is right.
Es perfecto.
Yeah. This is
Yo. Guys, I am sweating good. It's like 50 degrees out here in Chicago. So, I'm gonna grab some of these pieces right here and go back in the house. We're gonna start putting this together and bring y'all back. All right, y'all. This refrigerator fits a lot better than the last one. And the other owner told us not to plug it in until like 5 hours to let the gas settle in this. So we're gonna just let that one sit in the corner and do the best it can to keep those groceries cool.
Not too long.
Yeah. And then at 10 o'clock we can plug this one in. Congratulations, you are a big girl.
I know.
You're doing big girl stuff. Got you a stainless steel. One day get you a stainless steel that.
Yeah.
And then when you paint the cabinets, you can be like, oh yeah. Put some backsplash.
We got the backsplash.
So, all right, guys. So that being said, that was a quick little video, man. Make sure you hit the like button, comment something down below. It keeps that positive.